This is Cyndy with Cyndy G SVG, and in this video we're going to assemble the golf bag box card. So I have already glued on a few pieces. I've glued the tops onto my golf clubs. I've glued the backing on the back of the card for this is where you can write your sentiment, the side panels. Then here for the front, I put on the front panels. Okay. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this panel piece for the front and I'm going to go ahead and glue these pieces on and then put it on in place. Because I feel like it is going to be easier to put this piece on first, I think. If I'm wrong, you can do it in a different order. So these pieces right here go right up to the edge and glue on into place. Oops. I just want to dab the edges of this a little bit. I don't know why I made this bottom blue and not green, but that was how I cut it. So I'm just gonna leave it that way. I'm not sure what my thought process was. And I think even in the file, that piece is a different color than these other border pieces. There we go. And I think I just want to touch the edges of my strap, just give it a little more depth. Seems a little flat to me. Okay, and then this piece is just going to glue right into place. So it would be best to put the glue on your base so that you're not getting glue anywhere it shouldn't be. So I'm just going to apply the glue here. And then just glue this right into place. Okay. And then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to attach the front and the back of the card. Okay. Come on, down. Okay. Okay. Now we have this attached. This golf ball is going to glue right in here. Just kind of like right in that dip. Just don't go over your edge. So you're just going to glue that right there. Okay. So we'll set that aside. Pull in. The front layer has one golf club. Made a mess with that glue. And fold your tabs. And then the two golf clubs are for the back. See if I can't do this neater than the first one. There. And then fold it on the tabs, score lines, sorry. So then we're going to bring our card in. We're going to put glue on our tabs. Oh, I think I glued this one too tight. This top one too tight. Let me get it underneath there. There we go. Okay. All right. Yeah, so be careful when you glue these. I think this, I'm just going to pull this off here for a second. I've got this too far. It's not lined up to the score line. It's going over. So I'm just going to fix that really quick. Okay. Let's fold it down. Get it to fix. There we go. Okay. I think the one that I have going over is my front panel is hanging over the edge. So you might want to put at least the side on before you put the front panel on, and then it will be lined up correctly. Then we're going to put glue here on the next layer. Okay. And then just like with our other cards, we're going to glue the tabs. So because I have this handle on here, it's not going to let me fold it back. That's getting in the way. So I'm just going to hold it open and I'm going to put glue here on this tab and this tab. And then here on the bottom one, here on this one, lay them down. And then I'm going to make sure that they're lining up. Bring those down and glue those tabs on. Okay. I'm going to give these a second to grab on. And then fold it the other way. So this is really tight, okay, just because of the design, this design. So I'm going to go ahead and fold these tabs down. I'm going to put glue here before I fold it both ways. Okay. Let's get this to come in here and grab hold. And now fold it back the other way. Fold it back. Fold it back. There we are. So it's a little bit tricky. Guess I wanted the top piece because the top tabs, because I just wanted it to be a solid side, as solid as I could. But there it is. There is the golf bag box card. Thank you for joining me.